Hi guys, welcome to Really Raw with Ariel, and today I wanted to show you guys how I put on my Dexcom G6 CGM monitor. And for you guys that don't know what a CGM is, it is a constant glucose monitor. So basically, because I have type 1 diabetes, I need to check my blood sugar all the time. And I used to have to prick my fingers to check it, but since I have this CGM device, which is a lifesaver, I just have to put in my sensor once every 10 days. That is so much better than pricking yourself with a needle 7 times a day. Right? So the CGM is quick and easy, and you can put it literally anywhere where you have body fat. I usually go for my abdomen or my arms. Those are my favorite spots. I've heard some people do it on their legs. I'm not a fan of that, but I haven't tried it, so maybe it's good. But so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the quick and easy way and give you a tutorial on how to put a CGM monitor in. That is a Dexcom G6. So stay tuned and let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright, so with the T-Slim pump, what we're going to need to do is unlock the pump, then we're going to go to options, and then to my CGM, and then to start sensor. After you get there, you're going to want to set this aside for later. Next, we are going to use an alcohol swab and clean the area where we want to put the sensor. This case, I'm using my arm, but you can use your abdomen or anywhere where there's fat, really. And then next, we're going to clean the transmitter as well. And then we're going to set this aside for later and so it can dry. Next, we are going to open the sensor packaging, and just so you are aware, this is how it would look. Next, we're going to see that number right there. We're going to get our pump and put that number in the code. You click on code and you put that number in, and then just set it aside for later. Don't press anything else. Next, we're going to take off the stickiness and set that aside. I'm also using an adhesive alcohol swab, and I'm going to clean the area one more time. This alcohol swab is to help the CGM stick longer. Sometimes the stickiness can wear off on the thing, and it's no fun when it's about to fall off. So just make sure that you have an adhesive so it can stick longer. And then now I'm going to use the sensor and apply the sensor. Take that little thing off, and basically all you have to do is press the button. But before you apply it, make sure it's on fat and not muscle. All right, now we're just gonna press it, make sure it's on there, and now we're gonna get that transmitter and put it in. And make sure it clicks, it makes a clicking sound or a clicking motion. Now we're going to go to our pump and press done, and then press yes to start sensor. Now it's going to start, and we just have to wait for the sensor to calibrate. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful for you, if this was your first time using a CGM, or you have like family members that use it, you just wanted to learn some more about it. So thank you so much for joining me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!